In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money in Shopify with a step-by-step tutorial for 2020. Whether you're new to Shopify or have been running your store for a while, knowing how to efficiently withdraw your earnings is crucial to managing your business. So let's dive right into it. First, you need to log into your Shopify admin. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is navigate to My Store on the home dashboard. This is where you can access all the essential details about your store's operations. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, as it holds all the keys to managing your online business effectively. Next, you'll want to find and click on Payments. This section is really important because it's where you manage how your store receives and handles transactions. It ensures that your payment processing is seamless and secure. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll be able to see an overview of how payments come into and flow out of your store. Now, find and click on Shopify Payments. This is your primary payment processor if you're still using Shopify's standard setup, and it offers a straightforward integrated solution for handling transactions. Within Shopify Payments, you'll see various options and settings that help you control how you receive your funds. This could also be a good place to review any fees and account details associated with your payouts. Once you're within the Shopify Payments section, proceed to click on Additional Payment Methods. This is a critical step because it's where you'll set up your withdrawal process. Here you can link your bank account to transfer your earnings from Shopify into your preferred banking institution. Make sure that your bank account details are accurate to avoid any delays in receiving your money. For those planning to diversify their payment methods, exploring the options available within this section is a smart move. You might consider setting up multiple methods to ensure your store's financial transactions are as flexible and accommodating as possible for your business needs. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide on how to withdraw money in Shopify. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to efficiently managing your store's finances. Remember, it's not just about selling products. Managing your earnings effectively is key to sustaining and growing your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and keep your business thriving with Shopify.